Hello, in this video I will be reviewing the market structure trailing stop indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator provides
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
us with a trailing stop for buy and sell trades in such a way that when we see the red line above the chart, it indicates the stop loss for sell trades, which is gradually decreasing and trailing. And from the moment we see the green line below the candles, it indicates the stop loss for buy trades, which is also increasing and trailing. We can also use this indicator to identify trends, meaning when we have a stop loss for a buy trade, we can consider the trend to be upward. At that point, and when we have a stop loss for a sell trade, we can consider the trend to be downward at that point. Similarly, the pivot points it identifies for us on the chart, when broken, display dashed lines for us in both downward and upward directions. Let's review the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings displays the calculation period for our pivot points. The lower we set this value, the more pivot points it identifies. Conversely, the higher we set this value, the fewer pivot points or turning points we will have, and consequently, our trend changes less than no. The second parameter can be a number between 0 and 100. When set to 100, we have the maximum trailing of the stop. When set to 0, the stop you currently see is not trailed at all and shows a fixed line here for us. Any value between these indicates the degree of trailing. The higher this value, the more changes we have in the stop loss, and the faster the changes occur. The next option is for restarting the stop loss calculations and has two modes, chuck and all. When it is set to chuck, the initial calculations only occur when there is a change in trend, and after that, the stop is trailed. Breaking. These bearish pivot points does not restart the calculations from the beginning. However, when we set this value to on with each of these breaks, the calculations are redone from the beginning. As you can see, the calculations have been redone from the start for this, and the stop is placed here, which is not a continuation of the previous stop. The next option, if set to true, will display these market structure breaks ahead and as dashed lines, and if set to false, it will not display them. There are also two colors for the stop loss in bearish and bullish modes, which are the stop loss for sell trades, and we can specify their colors here. The last option is the number of candles that it goes back on the chart to perform the calculations. Let's explore the process of testing this indicator live on the MetaTrader 5 platform, a tool known for its advanced trading capabilities and user-friendly interface. This platform is favored by both novice and experienced traders. By participating in this live testing session, we aim to fully understand the indicator's potential, assess its performance in different market conditions, and gather insights. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Let's test this indicator live together on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section and to help improve the indicators.